Guys, please make sure to stay until the end. We're going to talk about common mistake people make that can actually cost you thousands of dollars for parts, tools, diagnostics that you may not actually need. Stay with us, we'll explain what it is. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Super quick, very helpful video for any of you trying to find where fuses relays are located for the license plate light, also known as tag light on Mercedes C-Class generation W205. Stay with us guys, we'll talk about that. Please do not waste your money on parts, tools, diagnostics until you watch that video. If you check your fuses, it could be still a simple fix, it could be something else that you need to do. And by the way, if you need to buy any replacement parts, tools, fuses, relays, guys, we will share that information in the description of the video below. Check it out and you can see where we get most of our tools and supplies from as well. So let's start on it now. Before we start guys, let us tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart, we show you how to fix pretty much anything. Electronics, engines, computers, transmissions. Why we do all that? Because our mission at the garage here is to save you as much money as we can guys. All we need in return, please guys, subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. Check out our YouTube channels, we have more than 17,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. So let's go ahead and start on it now. So guys, now for the license plate light, also known as tag light, let's explain which fuses relays we need to check if you have problems with them. Even after replacing the light, you need to check fuses. If the fuses are good, you need to do something else. We'll talk about that. But before we start, quick advice, 9 out of 10 owners do not know you have up to 6-7 different hidden fuse boxes in that Mercedes C-Class. That's why we made one special video on our YouTube channel that's called Mercedes W205 fuse box location and diagram video that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. What we guys need to do now, open the hood, and facing the engine here on the right side, this is the driver's side, you see you have that turning knob here that you need to turn 90 degrees counterclockwise. You have one like that in the back. Lift that cover up, and underneath you see that white box with the black cover. That black cover attaches with 2 bolts that you need to remove with Torx 20. They're right here, and once you open it, you're going to get to a fuse box with a layout like this one here. Before we continue guys, let's explain why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. So guys, let us tell you something really quick guys. People make one common mistake. They never test fuses, relays, they look at them and they assume they're good. At that point, they think they have a good fuse or relay and they start replacing modules, computers, parts that can cost you thousands of dollars in repairs guys. Always test your fuses. You have no idea how many cars we fixed for customers that said, oh, I checked the fuse, everything's fine, but I still have a problem. Now, some fuses are super hard to see if they're burnt or not. Some of them will be really easily accessible. You can clearly see them, but there will be fuses that are not see-through, fuses that may look like they're not burned, but they're actually burned. And often, guys, you can actually even test these fuses. Okay, let me show you now without even removing them. But it's very important to know how to test different fuses and relays, and if you want to see how to do that guys, we're going to put that link to a video in the description of the video below, how to test fuse, how to test a relay. Always check that. I want to emphasize that enough because it could be a really simple fix. So guys, here we'll need to check multiple fuses. We need to go, and today we'll be working 4 different fuse boxes. By the way, you may have some of them or all of them depending on the year, model and generation, configuration, all that stuff. So we need to check 108, fuse 108, you may have this one, 110, 125, 128 right here. The next thing that you need to do, open the driver door, and when you open the driver door, on the side of the dash you have one cover that you can just pry open, and behind it you have another fuse box. Here specifically you need to check fuse number 200 and 201. Very important fuses right here. Next, you need to go ahead and open the passenger door. When you do that, guys, on the passenger side in the footwell compartment on the A-pillar trim, let me get a better angle so you can see what I'm talking about. Right here, you're going to have one cover. Pry that cover open. Underneath, guys, you have the passenger side fuse box, and here we need to check fuse MF3. It's that special fuse right here that consists of 6 fuses built in one. Check all of them because one of them could be for that as well. Next, you need to open your trunk. There is very limited information, but check all these fuses, guys. When you open the trunk, lift that carpet liner up. Underneath, on the right side here, you have kind of like a fabric flap that you need to lift up, and underneath is the main trunk fuse box. Let us show you what it looks like. Here you need to check fuse number 450, then you need to check fuse 465 and 466. Check all these fuses. Now if you still have problems, guys, what we recommend to check, okay, you check the fuses, guys. Okay, test fuse, check the fuses for the rear and the front SAM module, because that's kind of like the body control module for your Mercedes. You have two of them, one in the front, one in the rear. Check these fuses. If you don't know where they're located, we'll have the video on the channel. And after that, if everything was fine, okay, you may need to clear codes. A code can cause it not to work as well. So you need to get a scanner that can access every computer system in your Mercedes, and you'll be surprised, you may have up to 40, 50 different computer modules in that Mercedes. You will need to access them, reset all the codes. It's really easy. You just scan all the systems, clear all the codes, okay, and if you have a present code left, it will tell you exactly what the problem is at that point. If you want to see what scanner to use, we'll share some information in the description of the video below about scanners that we use here, usually here at the garage, but hopefully it will be easy fix for you guys as well. Guys, quick advice. Now, that generation Mercedes, it has all kinds of different fuses and relays. I want to show you some of them. Those are super special ones as well, guys. And those pre-fuse boxes as well. Check it out. You will have a great variety of fuses, relays. So, by the way, if you guys want to buy any replacement parts, tools, fuses, we'll recommend to keep some spare ones in the glove box for a peace of mind. We're going to share the information in the description of the video below, so you can see where you can get them from, and you can see where we get most of our tools and supplies from as well. Thank you guys for watching, and see you next time.